All right, today we are going to do some basic stuff with Gmail. We are going to start by creating and sending a new message. Now, to do so, I'm first going to go over to Compose, and I'm going to click the Compose button. Now I need to know my email address. I'm just going to send this to myself. Fortunately, I'm in my contacts, so it comes up really easily. And if you need to carbon copy it or blind carbon copy it to someone, you would just click CC or BCC. And in this case, I'll just send one to my school address as well. Then, of course, you'll want to type your subject line. In this case, I'm just going to type Gmail demo. Now, down below, we have the options to format or style our email with different fonts, bold, underline. If we want to add pictures, here is where you would do it. Just going to add a little picture here. And I'm going to click Insert. And then there is my picture. We'll hashtag this freedom. And then when I am ready to send it, I will click Send. So that is creating my message. Now, if I want to organize my email box, I can do so with some pretty basic features in Gmail. One of those is I can star important emails. So if I want to star this email, then it will come up as a starred email, and I will see that that is more important. I also have the option to label emails. So by doing so, if I click on this particular one again, and I can go up here and I have the choice between labels. I also have the ability to make new labels. So let's just say this one, I want to type sports because this happens to be about my son's basketball team. Click create, and then I will then have that option to label it. And then I see here that the label sports is now associated with that. Now, if I'm looking for something particular in my email, I can use the search function. I'm going to go ahead and undo those. So if I go up here to search, and let's just say I'm looking for Freegal, and this happens to be a app that the library board is looking at. So there comes up right away any email that has the word Freegal in the body or the subject. I can do other things as well. If I go to the advanced search options, I can find something from a particular person. Let's say I want to find something from one of the guys I coach soccer with. So there's his email. So then if I click search, I also have the cool option of doing within a certain time period. So maybe I only want to see the stuff that's in the last week. Now, these aren't going to work together, so I want to get rid of that. And then when I click search, I find all of these emails or email strings are going to have his email in it. So those are some of the basics.